I cannot complain about my 2018 start. We won in Melbourne, which was great because we made history. The first team to win 3 championships in a row, which is fantastic.
And Fishlock spots the keeper off her line. Jess Fishlock!
Went to Cyprus, which was a really successful tournament with Wales. Came back here, started off our season with Seattle with a huge win. Then just went back home and just had an unbelievable result against England. I don't think I've ever been so proud of a group of players in my entire career. I think every single person who played that game played their role to the absolute best of their ability, and we were all fantastic. And as a Welsh person to be a part of that, yeah, definitely probably one of the best games I've ever been involved in.
Was it a goal?
Yes, 100%. But we'll let that go. We'll let that go. We'll be better people and let that go. Laura Harvey came over from Arsenal, she took the Seattle job. And I'd never worked with her before, but obviously played against her. And she sent me an email one January and said, did I want to come over and play for the Rain? And I didn't even think twice about it. I made the decision there and then, didn't ask any questions, just said yes. It's probably one of the best decisions I've made in my entire life. To have the opportunity to come here and play with, first and foremost, some of the best players in the world, and then to play against some of the best players in the world it's only good for me as a footballer. For me, Seattle has everything. It is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. You know, you won't fully appreciate Seattle until you come and see it, and then when you come and see it, I don't think you ever want to leave, hence why I'm still stuck here 6 years later. I think the key to how long I'm going to play for is if I can stay fit and healthy. You know, when you get to 31, 32, your body doesn't recover as well, it doesn't feel as great. But I have very good people working with me here, and so I think that they're going to help me keep on top of that. So if that happens, you know, I think I've still got another 2-3 years. You know, at this level. I definitely want to stay in football. I want to be coaching a top-level team and achieving things, and not only achieving things as a group, but also developing players there to go on and achieve whatever they want to achieve. You know, I'd love to go home, love to manage my country, but that's a long way away, so I'm not thinking about that right now. I think we're in a great position. Look, the games against Bosnia and Russia are huge. You know, we have to get 6 points out of that. We have to. There's no other way. We're going to take one game at a time, but we're going to do everything we can to get the points that we need. So we go into the last game, pushing England to the last wire and try and get that first spot. I've played for my country for over 10 years. Haven't got close to qualification. So to be 31, coming towards the end of my career, to get to a tournament now, and not just a tournament, the World Cup, would, well, I can't put it into words, it would just be unreal.